Hello, kindergartners. Welcome to Art with Miss Mandy. Today we will be drawing Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. So you need your paper, your black marker, and some crayons. So today we're going to start off with a shape called an oval. So an oval is like a circle, but it's kind of stretched out. So we're going to start in the middle of your paper, and we're just going to draw one stretched out. That means it's longer. Oval. And that's going to be the reindeer's face. Next, we're going to draw its neck. So I'm going to start here and just do a straight line down to the bottom of your paper. Then go over a little bit for the other side of the neck and straight down again. So now we're going to go back up and we're going to draw the nose. So the nose is going to be pretty big because Rudolph's nose is pretty bright. So this is going to be an oval as well, but it's going to be kind of long on its side. So I'm going to start here towards the bottom of the face and just draw an oval kind of on its side. So a big oval. That's his nose. Next, we're going to do ovals for his eyes. So I'm going to start up here, do kind of a big oval. And then these are going to be, his eyes are going to be touching. So I'm just going to start towards the top of this oval and just do another oval, but stop when you get back to the other eye. Now we need dots, which are just filled in circles towards the bottom of the eyes. Kind of like Rudolph is looking down. There you go. Next, we're going to do the ears. So his ears are going to be sort of sticking out to the side. So I'm going to start here towards the top of his head. I'm just going to do a curved line and then stop, but don't pick up your marker, and do another curved line back to Rudolph's face. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. Curved line out, and then curved line back in. And those are his adorable ears. Next, we need to do his antlers. So I'm going to start here above where the ear is and just do a curved line out. Antlers. Deer usually have 2 antlers, so we're going to do 2 curved lines. So go over to the other side. Curved line out. And now we're going to do kind of like branches. So start where you started, the bottom of your antler, go up a little bit and do a curved line, kind of a short curved line. Go back to the first one, give a little space, curved line again. Go up a little further and do another curved line. And that antler is done. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Go up a little bit, curved line, back to the original antler, give a little space, curved line, a little space, curved line. Now your antlers are done. So now we're going to give Rudolph a scarf. So you need to go back down here to the neck and give a little space and just draw a straight line across the neck. Then when you're done with that, go down a little bit and draw another straight line, just like that. Now we're gonna draw a rectangle on its side. So I'm gonna start here where this top line is. Just go out, down, and back to your bottom line. And then once you have that, we're gonna do kind of a triangle coming out of the top. So start here in the corner where you started your rectangle and go up and out and then down to your original rectangle. That was pretty hard, so if you need to rewind and watch it again, you can. So now we're going to give the scarf some stripes. So I am going to, in between these two lines, which is your scarf, you want to draw a straight line down, another straight line down, give some space, go to this part of your scarf, straight line down, straight line down, straight line down, all the way across. And then go up to this part of your scarf, do the same thing. Start at the top, straight line down. And now we're going to give some frills to the end of the scarf. So I'm just going to go to the end of your rectangle and the end of your scarf and just draw some short, straight lines out at the end. And now your outline is complete. So we are going to color it. I'm going to start with the nose. So the nose, Rudolph's nose, is red. And make sure you're staying in the lines and coloring in all of the white spots. Next, I'm going to color the reindeer. So I've chosen a light brown color. And I'm going to color around the eyes. I'm going to leave his eyes white. So you should be going slower than I am and making sure that you're filling in all of the white spots. And don't forget to color his ears. And his neck, but don't color the scarf part. The scarf is going to be colorful. So if you're still coloring your reindeer, take a break and we're gonna color the scarf together. So I'm gonna do a pattern, and a pattern is where you repeat the colors. So I'm gonna do mine red and green for Christmas. So what I'm going to do is color in that first rectangle shape. Then switch colors, whatever color, you can do whatever pattern you want to. You pick 2 or 3 colors and do a pattern. Maybe I'll do a 3 pattern, so I'll add in a blue. So my pattern, oh, that's a dark green. My pattern is light green, red, dark green. So next, I start over my pattern. I'm gonna have to go back to the first color that I picked, which is light green. Light green, red, dark green. Light green, red, and then that's the end of my scarf, so that's as far as I'll go. But I need to fill in this part as well, so I'm going to start my pattern over. Light green, red, dark green, back to light green. Okay, nice job. So if you weren't done coloring in the rest of your reindeer, you should go back and finish coloring that in. And then you could label it, sound out his name, Rudolph. Starts with a that's an R. You could also give your drawing as a present to someone that you love. So you could write their name on this paper. All right.